everyone, Jessica here with Crochet It Creations, and today on my YouTube channel I'm going to take a step away from crochet projects and show you how to make this adorable leather keyring. So my daughter and I have a craft fair coming up. Of course I'm crocheting and putting crochet products into the craft fair, but we are also making these cute little leather key rings to sell, and I want to show you step by step of how to make your own, plus Amazon links for each item used will be included below. So first off, we're going to take a sheet of faux leather. I did purchase this packet off of Amazon. It has really cute texture designs on it. And then you want to also use a sheet of heat transfer vinyl. And this will be as the backing of your faux leather. So the faux leather does kind of have like a rough back to it, and you want to have something on the other side. So basically, my sheets of vinyl that I got off of Amazon, it's HTV Ront is the brand. They're a little bit larger than my faux leather, so you want to take and cut the excess trim off and then lay it on your heat press. Heat press at 315 degrees for about 10 seconds just to adhere the backing to the faux leather. Right here, we want to take and cut our strips of leather for the key ring a 1/2 inch apart. So you can see here that I'm using a sewing mat, ruler, and a rotary cutter to cut 1/2 inch strips for the leather key ring. So these leather sheets were about the size of a paper, so 8 by 11. So each one is cut 8 inches long by a 1/2 inch wide. So this will make, one sheet will make about 20 to 22 keychains. You could always make your key rings a little bit larger. You can use 3/4 of an inch wide or 1 inch wide. You can also do the longer side because these do not fit completely over your wrist. They're just made for you to hold on to your keys through the loop. So it does not slide all the way over your hand and hold onto your wrist. So you can definitely do it on the longer side, whichever's your preference. I wanted these to be smaller. Once you're finished cutting all your strips of the leather, you're going to take a leather hole punch. Now I purchased this off of Amazon as well. We're going to fold the key ring as so. So you take this little loop here, that's where it's going to hold the keychain, and then place that over. This leather hole punch will punch through all 3 layers at once. So no need to separate it out and mark your spots. You can definitely do all 3 layers at once very easily. So as you can see here, I'm doing it on the second to smallest setting. I did not see any sizing on this hole punch when I purchased it, so I'm not sure what size hole this makes, but it's the second to smallest, and I'll have a link below for which one I used. Get it centered right in the middle of all 3 of those layers, and then punch your hole. And I'm using this pack of key rings. I wanted the key ring with a lobster clip, so I found this pack on Amazon. I think it was 120 pieces for maybe $10. I'll put a link below. The quality is not super great. I really wanted a better quality of keychain, but I was reading reviews and reading through, and honestly, I just couldn't tell which one was the best quality. So this one had decent reviews and lots of purchases, so I did go ahead and buy this. The link is below. And then you want to use your Rivet Kit. So this Rivet Kit obviously was purchased on Amazon as well. I do have the link, and it comes in 2 sizes of rivets. We're using the smaller size. So I just went and looked, and this kit came with 0.3 and 0.2 inch rivets. So we are using the 0.2 inch. I'm using the silver. It did come in silver, gold, bronze, and black. So the smaller size is what we're using. Place your key ring with a rivet on the tool that was provided, and go ahead and hammer that down, hammer it in place, and you are all finished. I love the way this key ring turned out. I like how small it is, how easy it was to make. You can make so many with the little amount of products that was used. So go check it out and let me know what you think. Please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.